Hello. So this is Steve Benny from TVBot, and this video is just a video to show how to use the box. This is how the box looks when you plug it in. It's the main frame, we'll call it. You got Google Play Store, App section, File section. If you decide to download and plug stuff into it, you can watch movies that you already have downloaded from somewhere else. Chrome and YouTube. Right here on the bottom you have two apps. One is LiveNet TV. LiveNet TV is a live TV application. There's a bunch of channels on it. It opens up just like this. I'll give it a sec. It will load. Here it is. It uploads, and then you have different sections right on the top. As you see, I'm scrolling through. And let's go to stuff that usually guys like. So there's a sports section for international sports, as you see. This box is hardwired to the internet, and this is how it responds. So I don't know what kind of internet you have. I hope it's better. International section, as you see right there, above the marker, there says international. So a bunch of sports channels, and I'm just scrolling down to so-called Canadian channels, which is Sportsnet and TSN. Let's go with TSN 1. And we're watching it. And well, there's a section for everything, and you just scroll and you see and you play with. Second application is BTV. As you see, there's a B marker on it. This is how it comes up. You see the B marker on the screen, and it will load. And this is an application. It's an on-demand application, so it's not live. Movies and TV shows. You see the marker on the top side? That's your search. You can click and search anything you want. You can filter. There's a genre section. And right now it comes up in default on the TV show section, which is everything. It's not something specific, just anything you want. And this is the movie section. So you just go to the so-called hamburger right here on the side, the menu. You click on it, TV shows, movies. There's other sections as well. I'm not going through everything. Just showing movies. And let's say Puss in Boots, which is a brand new movie. You go to the play button, click. It will give you a bunch of links. So the application is pretty much like a search engine. You choose the movie that you want. It searches the internet. It pulls a lot of links to you. And as you see, there's different numbers next to the links. That's quality. And you choose the quality depending on your internet. So I got 720, which is HD. 1080, it's Super HD. 780 is quite good. And I'll give it a second. It loads. Because 1080 sometimes gives me buffering with my internet, so I'd rather not buffer. I'd rather not get the circle of death on the screen. So give it a second. The player kicks in. While it's loading, I'm just gonna show you this. This is the keypad. And this is the mouse pad. You have a media player control. It's starting. Arrows. And this is your keyboard. And in blue, I don't know if you see it, but there's blue markings. You have a button called function and F2. there's a light function on it. So you just click function, F2, it lights up just like that. And so again, this is how you get into a movie. And I'm not allowed to show movies online, so click. And TV show is a little bit different. I mean, it's the same thing, there's another step. So let's say Tulsa King, instead of just play, you go and you choose a season. So sometimes shows, this is a new show, it has only one season, but let's go with something else. Let's say Wednesday. It has more than one season, upcoming season coming close. So it shows you all the seasons you can pick through, and the episodes load up, and you choose an episode, whatever. I'm just doing something random. Again, you just get the list, and you choose a link. I do it randomly, but with time you'll get used to some links working better. Some of them are in different languages, so you just want to, you'll see it with time. You'll get used to it. But in the beginning, it's a game. You have to figure it out. Again, this loads. We give it a couple of seconds, and then the show comes up. Oh, this is a Netflix show in this case, so it loads up this way. But it doesn't matter if it's Netflix or Apple or Amazon. It's, the box gets everything. So this is the way you do it. And click and out. Just show you something very specific that you have. HB is a player that BTV uses. So this is just an app that works for you, but you don't see it working, servicing you on the day-to-day basis. And you have Blockada here. It's an app that blocks all the ads. If you see ads, you go to Blockada. And as you see, there's a button here. You just click on it to make sure that it's on. It needs to be blue to be charged. Right now it's on. I don't see a reason why it will be off, but you'll know if it's off if you get ads. That's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the box. Thank you.